Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Emotes in Murder Mystery 2. To begin, simply press the B key on your keyboard if you are playing on a computer. This action will instantly bring up the emote menu, displaying all your currently equipped expressions. If you are on a mobile device, look for a small emote icon, usually located near the bottom of your screen, and tap it to open the menu. This is your first step to expressing yourself in-game. Once the emote menu is open, you will see a grid of available emotes. Use your mouse or finger to click or tap on the emote you wish to perform. Your character will immediately begin the animation, bringing your chosen expression to life. You can cycle through different pages of emotes if you have more than a dozen equipped. Performing an emote is a quick and fun way to interact without typing, adding a layer of personality to your character. To customize which emotes appear in your in-game menu, you'll need to manage them from your Roblox avatar inventory outside of Murder Mystery 2. You can equip up to 6 emotes at a time for quick access. Many emotes are available for free, while others can be purchased from the Roblox avatar shop using Robux. Regularly check for new releases to expand your collection and keep your expressions fresh and exciting for all your gameplay sessions. Emotes are a fantastic way to add fun and nonverbal communication to your Murder Mystery 2 experience. You can use them to celebrate a win, express surprise, or even taunt the murderer in a playful way. They truly enhance role-playing and make your character feel more unique. Just remember to use them respectfully. Avoid spamming emotes excessively, as it can be disruptive to other players. Have fun expressing yourself and making your gameplay more engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.